Hello everyone, my name is Miss Sharon Roshan, teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be doing exercise of Chapter 1 Family Trends. We'll be writing the answer of filling the blanks in textbook itself. So the first question here is, a family having only one parent and his two children living in the same house is a single parent family. So write single parent family. Next is, we become a part of a family by birth, adoption or marriage. Third, a generation means a group of people who were born and have lived around the same time. Fourth, a family changes and grows when new members are added to the family. Fifth, people who belong to the same family are called relatives. Next is true or false. So we get to know about our previous generations through our parents or grandparents. True. Next is, children from the first generation of a family tree. Second question is, children from the first generation of a family tree is false. Next is, a family tree shows us the relationship between family members. True. Next is fourth. Fourth is, a family in which only parents and children live together is called a joint family. False. Fifth, changes happen all the time. True. Next is, tick the correct answers. There may be more than one correct answer. Family members take care of each other by sharing happiness and sorrow. Second is looking after each other's needs. Third is taking care for children. So it is A and B. So we'll take A and B. Next is, family size increases due to birth, death, adoption. So birth and adoption. Third is, family size decreases due to birth, death, shifting to a separate house. Death and shifting to a separate house. Next is, family members make the new members of family comfortable by being very strict with new members, making changes in their role. Third is, making changes in the space of the houses. So this will be B and C. Fifth, families having both parents working outside adapt by sharing household work, fighting for easy work, employing helpers or share. So A and C. Next is, answer the following question. So now open your 200 pages sketchbook. आपका जो स्केचबुक है, एक साइड में आपका जो पेज होगा वो प्लेन होगा, वन साइड इट विल बी पेज जो है उस पर लाइन्स होंगे. तो आपको लाइन वाले पेज पे लिखना है, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस एंड देन राइट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, What is a family? So answer for the first question is, a family is a group of people who are related to each other. They may or may not live in the same family. Write down the second question from your textbook. Differentiate between joint family, nuclear family and single parent family. So answer for the second question is, in a joint family, grandparents, parents, aunts, uncles and children live together in the same house. So this will be the point number 1. A family with parents and their children living together in the same house is a single parent family. Next point is, a family having only one parent and his children living in the same house is a single parent family. Write the third question. How do the family members adapt when they shift from a joint family to nuclear family? Answer for this. When people shift from a joint family to a nuclear family, they have to adapt to their new life. Parents have to manage their time to do the household chores, manage the children and earn a living. The children also need to learn to be more independent and responsible. Both the children and the parents adapt to changes to make life easy and comfortable. Then write the fourth question. How is the working pattern of parents in the present time different from that of the parents of the earlier times? In earlier times, the father worked outside home to earn money, while the mother took care of the household. In the present time, in many homes, both the parents work outside as well as do household work. Write down the fifth question. What are the reasons due to which the members of a family may have to move away? Answer. Many parents and their children may move to new house if the parents get a new job or get a transfer. They may also shift to a new house if the family grows and it to exist in the limited space of the existing house. Some children move out of the house to different city or country when they get a chance for better education there. Some family members also move to new house after getting married.